Hello everyone, happy to see you again. Today, we'll see how to transfer products from eBay to TikTok Shop with Nembol. First, we need to import the products from eBay, just like we did in the previous videos. Go to Import. In this example, we'll select eBay and then click Import. Once the import is complete, select the products you want to publish. You can do this one by one or select multiple at once. Then click Publish To. We'll choose TikTok Shop as for the example, and Publish. Now, you'll notice your product has two badges, one for eBay and one for TikTok. This shows where your product is listed correctly. To double check, go to TikTok Shop. You'll see the product we just transferred from eBay. As you've seen, transferring products from eBay to TikTok Shop with Nembol is quick and effortless. Additionally, Nembol lets you manage eBay and TikTok item specifics and category attributes in bulk, but we'll dive into that in the upcoming videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.